Hello, this is Katie TV and today I'm going to be showing you how to do makeup. This is bronze for your cheeks. This is lipstick. It's a pinky red lipstick. And some eyeshadow. There's this blush brush. And there's an eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to start off with some bronze. I would use the top one here. And you use it up on your cheeks. Then use this lipstick, put on your lips. And then the last thing to do on this is eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using this purpley pink. And then you're done. Hope you enjoyed and please like and subscribe if you liked it.